Hey, how you doing? Join me live for Mental Health Monday as we talk a bit about our mental health toolbox. Now, there's no secret that, it's a bit of a challenge for a lot of us to get through the holidays. So, our main objective as we talk about this Monday is to get through the holidays and enjoy the holidays. Not just get through them, but to enjoy the holidays. All right? So join me live across 3 platforms on Facebook, TikTok, and the Clapper. And we'll get into a good conversation about your mental health toolbox. I'll see you Monday.